the distance between two parallel lines. Suppose these are two lines which are parallel to each other, and you have to calculate the distance between these two parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines, always it is perpendicular distance, that is the shortest distance. Suppose again, if you suppose this P and this Q, then this will be perpendicular, this will be perpendicular, that is right angle. If we will take two parallel lines are given as AX plus BY plus C1 equal to 0, and the second line is AX plus BY plus C2 equal to 0, then PQ is equal to C1 minus C2 divided by root under A square plus B square, and then we will put the mod. Student, if you remember this formula, then it's very good. Otherwise, you can use the previous formula also. And how we will use? So see, on any one of the line here, because of the equation of this first line and the second line, both the equations are given, this as well as this, as AX plus BY plus C1 equal to 0 and AX plus BY plus C2 equal to 0. So on this straight line, we can suppose any point, for example, like this. You take X is equal to 0, then Y is equal to minus C1 upon V. Take Y equal to 0, then X is equal to minus C1 upon V. Any formula, any point, by substituting one value of X and by calculating the other value of Y, or by substituting the value of Y yourself and calculating the value of X. And then after that, once you get the point on one of the straight line, now we will use this formula. PQ is equal to this, where that point will be the given point, and the equation of the second line, we will find the distance of the second line from the point on the first line.